Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is John. I'm gonna show you guys how to install Sublime Text on Windows. So just go to your browser and type in Sublime Text. It's usually the first thing that pop up. You want to click into it. And I don't want you guys to click on the download for Windows button right here because different operating system will have a different build. So I want to go to the download button up top on the bar. I click it. And want you to select the version you want to build based on your operating system. If you don't know, this is how you check. If you're on Windows, go to Setting, go to Start, click on the Settings button. You want to click System and go all the way down to About. And right here under Device Specifications, you can see the system type is 64-bit for me. So I'm going to close this out and download Windows 64-bit. Should only take a few seconds. Once the drive is downloaded, you want to click yes, and yes, I'll agree to add to the Explorer menu. Install. It's also only take a few seconds, and you can finish it up. Now you should be able to search it just by clicking on Start and typing Sublime Text right here. To make it stay in text bar, I'm gonna pin it, right click and click pin to text bar. And there you go. Just to test if it works. We're gonna print hello world here and save it by go to file or just click Ctrl S and we do hello. Give it a py extension, means it's Python file. Save in desktop, click save. And to run it, you click on tools, build, or just Ctrl B. And there you go. Thank you for watching.